So I'm actually venturing out on my own at a place called Assembly Food Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm waiting for a couple of friends that I'm actually going to meet for the first time, so I'm super excited to meet them. They are a very sweet couple here in Nashville. They are also real estate agents, and I've connected with them and wanted to meet up with them, so we're gonna meet up and have something to eat, get to know them. I think you're gonna be in for a treat. So on to the next thing, but as a female out here on my own, I feel relatively safe, just FYI. There's a lot of people walking around just having a good time and shopping, and a lot of great stores out here. So if you are venturing out on your own, I feel good so far, just FYI, and lots to kind of walk through and look at. But it's so cute now because it is Christmas time and they have all of the lights up, some Christmas trees back there. So can't wait to see them.
Honey Fire's barbecue.
Ooh.
That's very creative sandwiches.
Hi, I'm gonna try the Southern Shine. I hear it's good, so. Apparently there are a lot of great options in this place. It's almost like the Timeout in New York City, if you've ever been there, almost like that. But I was recommended the Southern Shine. So we'll see how that goes. Southern Shine. Honey smoked pulled pork, fried green tomato, house-made pimento, cheese, candied bacon, topped with Honey Fire original sauce. Green hearts of Thank you. Test, test, test.
Of something that I've learned along the way, that's just to focus only on the things that you can control, and have faith and trust and believe that the rest is going to work out, because we don't have any control over it anyway.
Yeah.
Most of the stress and anxiety and just fear, worry, and doubt and all those things that we struggle with in this life is all about things that we can't control.
Yeah.
If it was the things that we could control, we could just control them. We wouldn't worry about them.
For sure.